Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful features of self-hosted n8n, community nodes. If you have been using n8n for automation but feeling limited by the built-in nodes, this video is going to be a game changer for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly what community nodes are and why they are amazing, and most importantly, how to install them and use them in your self-hosted n8n instance. So before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you're into automation and workflow content like this. So first things first, what exactly are community nodes? Think of n8n's built-in nodes as the foundation of your automation toolkit. They cover major services like Google Sheets, Slack, HTTP requests and so on. But what happens when you need to integrate with a service that doesn't have an official node? Or when you need very specific functionality that goes beyond what's available? That's where the community nodes come in. Community nodes are custom integrations built by developers around the world. We're talking about nodes for services like Airtable and advanced operations, Discord bots, cryptocurrency APIs, social media platforms, specialized databases, and hundreds of more. The beautiful thing about self-hosting n8n is that you have complete control over which community nodes you install. You're not limited to what the cloud version offers, you can extend your automation capabilities infinitely. Now here's the key distinction. If you're using n8n Cloud, you're limited to the nodes that n8n officially supports. But when you're self-hosted, you unlock the entire ecosystem of community-built nodes. That gives you several advantages. You have access to cutting-edge integrations before they actually become official, specialized nodes for niches and use cases, custom business logic that someone else has already solved, often more advanced features than basic official nodes. Plus, the community is incredibly active. New nodes are being developed constantly and the quality is often exceptional because these developers are solving real problems that they face in their own workflows. So, where do we actually find these nodes? There are several places to look. We have the official n8n community node page. This is curated and shows the most popular and well-maintained nodes. You have your npm registry, search for packages starting with n8n nodes. You have GitHub, many developers actually showcase their nodes there with detailed documentation, and you have the n8n community forum. Users often share their custom nodes and ask for specific integrations. When searching, look for nodes with recent updates, good documentation, active maintainers, and decent download numbers. So now for the main event, the actual installation. There are several ways to install community nodes depending on how you're running n8n. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it if you're actually running Hostinger. Okay, so let me show you how to actually install community nodes on a self-hosted n8n. So let's first dive into n8n. When you open up n8n, come down here where it says your name. Click this and go into settings. Once you're into settings, you go down to community nodes. And here you can click on install a community node. So the important thing here is this field, the npm package name. This is where we're going to copy and paste our node. So to start with, we can head to the npm website. In here, we can actually search for our nodes. So npm is built by GitHub, the company that's behind npm registry and npm CLI. And they offer a ton of things for free. So here I'm just gonna search for retail AI. Now I have the retail AI n8n nodes here. I'm gonna press it. Okay, so we're gonna copy the name here. We're going to go back to our n8n instance, we're going to paste it, and we're going to click install. So now package is installed, and that's all we need. Okay, so let's talk about some common issues that you might encounter. If your node is not appearing, You have to make sure you restarted n8n completely. Check the n8n logs for any installation errors. And you have to verify that the code name is actually correct. If your installation fails, this usually means dependency conflicts. Try installing one node at a time. Check if your n8n version is actually compatible with that node. And performance issues. Some community nodes are more resource heavy, so monitoring your resources after installation is key. Consider running your n8n with more memory and allocation. Always check your n8n logs when troubleshooting. Docker actually logs your n8n containers by name. Okay, so here are some best practices for using community nodes. So please, for the love of God, test it in a development environment first. Do not install untested nodes into production. Please keep track of your nodes. Just document what you have installed and why. And review node permissions. Some nodes might actually require additional API access. And update regularly but carefully. Balance security with stability. Have a backup strategy and make sure you can restore workflows if something breaks. And there you have it. You now know how to supercharge your self-hosted n8n instant with community nodes. This opens up a whole world of automation possibilities that simply aren't available in the cloud version. And remember, the key is to start with nodes that you actually need. Test everything in a development environment first, keep good documentation of what you have installed, and engage with a community for support and ideas. What nodes are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know what integrations you're looking for. If this video helped you level up your n8n game, smash that like button and subscribe for more automation tutorials. I've got tons more n8n content coming, including advanced workflow patterns and self-hosting deep dives. So thank you for watching.